Caption High Life is your one-stop shop for fun on the water. The High Life is an 11-foot kayak with smooth tracking and enough stability to paddle as a stand-up paddleboard. The super low profile is reminiscent of a SUP, but still provides a steady platform for kayaking. Perfect for a day trip, this sit-on-top kayak features a fold-down seating system with a cooler storage area under the seat, a rear tank well for additional storage, and a center cup holder for easy access. Swim decks make exit and re-entry for kids and pets a breeze, and the traction pads on the bow, midship, and stern help you keep your footing while paddling. 2 gear tracks double as carry handles and mounting points for endless accessory options, and the easy-to-install toolless fin provides smooth, straight tracking. The High Life is available in 2 colors, blue and lime.
Mm-hmm.